Hello everyone, and welcome to my tutorial on how to make a crochet chick. For this, the materials you are going to need are double knit wool in orange and yellow, stuffing, a 4mm hook, scissors, wool needle, stitch marker and safety eyes in their backs. We'll be starting off with the head and body. Using yellow wool, for round 1 you'll do 6 single crochets into a magic ring. For round 2, you'll do 6 increases, leaving you with 12 single crochets. For round 3, you'll do 1 single crochet and 1 increase 6 times, leaving you with 18 single crochets. From rounds 4 to 11, you'll do 18 single crochets all the way around. I recommend that you pause here so you can complete rounds 4 to 11. You'll add the safety eyes in between rounds 6 and 7. And start stuffing the head and body. For round 12, you'll do 1 single crochet and 1 decrease 6 times, leaving you with 12 single crochets. You may need to add in a little bit more stuffing to make sure it's firm. For round 13, you'll do 6 decreases, leaving you with 6 single crochets. Then using a wool needle, you'll sew up the hole. Moving on to the wings. Using yellow wool, for round 1 you'll chain 5. Then for round 2 you'll do 3 half double crochets, slip stitch and fasten off. Remember to make 2 of these. Now we'll make the beak. Using orange wool, for round 1 you'll do 6 single crochets into a magic ring. And for round 2 you'll do 6 single crochets all the way around, slip stitch and then fasten off. And finally, the feet. Using orange wool, for round 1 you'll chain 6. Then you'll fasten off. Remember to make 2 of these. Now time to assemble. You start by attaching the beak between the eyes. Attach the wings to each side of the body. Attach the feet by folding them in half to form a loop. And now you're all finished. So thank you for watching, and please remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be uploading new crochet tutorials weekly. If you have any ideas for crochet patterns or crochet tutorials you would like me to make, I'm always open to suggestions if you just leave a comment down below.